Lolita. Now next is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. That bird is also known as the great white-crested cockatoo. Now we can distinguish among the white cockatoos, and that is because of its woolly white crest that raises like an umbrella. Their Pusaka crest Nigel or a shaped umbrella. That is why they're called the umbrella cockatoo. So if you were to compare Tweety and Nigel, clearly Tweety has a yellow crest, meanwhile Nigel has a pure white crest. Now that is the Serang archipelago of eastern Indonesia. Now she is classified as the largest among the white cockatoos. And she is also known as the Summer cockatoo. And that is because of its pinkish white red feathers. Now its most specific name is station of their wing. So whether happy, angry, or